Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a cybersecurity learning plan and post milestones on LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your cybersecurity learning goals. Identify the specific areas of cybersecurity you want to focus on. Consider topics like network security, penetration testing, or threat intelligence. Research available resources such as online courses, books, and webinars. Select a learning platform that fits your style, like Coursera, Udemy, or Cybersecurity. Create a timeline for your learning plan, breaking it down into manageable chunks. Set milestones for completing each section of your learning materials. Incorporate hands-on practice by engaging in labs or simulations. Join online communities or forums to connect with other learners. Track your progress regularly, noting what you've completed and what's next. Update your timeline as needed, allowing for flexibility in your schedule. As you reach each milestone, document your achievements. Prepare a post for LinkedIn summarizing your completed milestones. Use engaging visuals, such as screenshots or course badges, to enhance your post. Explain the skills you've acquired and how they apply to the industry. Share your aspirations and next steps in your cybersecurity journey. Encourage connections to engage with your post by asking for advice or sharing their own experiences. Revisit your learning plan periodically to add new goals or adjust existing ones. Celebrate your accomplishments and recognize the hard work you've put in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.